Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Home Decor. This video we are going to discuss top 5 kitchen layout mistakes to avoid. First one is poor work triangle. Each point of the kitchen work triangle plays a specific role in how your kitchen functions day to day. The kitchen work triangle is a layout concept that focuses on how you move between the three most used areas in your kitchen: the sink, the stove, and the refrigerator. The idea is simple. When these three areas are positioned thoughtfully, cooking feels easier, faster, and far less frustrating. From a professional carpentry perspective, it can be explained this way. The work triangle is less about strict measurements and more about how your body moves through the space. A kitchen can look beautiful on paper and still feel awkward in real life if workflow is ignored. The second mistake is inadequate walkways. The main problem with inadequate walkways in a kitchen is that they create serious safety hazards and make cooking highly inefficient. When walkways are too narrow, the kitchen quickly becomes frustrating and dangerous to use. To overcome inadequate kitchen walkways, you must either physically widen the path or choose space-saving elements that reduce layout crowding. Third mistake to avoid is not enough counter space. Having limited kitchen counter space causes major daily frustrations, from high stress while cooking to serious safety hazards. Crowded counters lead to knocked over knives, spilled hot liquids, and accidental fires from items placed too close to the stove. Dirty bowls immediately pile up in the sink because there is no room on the counter, blocking your access to running water. The fourth mistake is appliances in the wrong places. Poor appliance placement causes serious fire hazards, structural stream damage, and accelerated mechanical failure. It also ruins kitchen's workflow by creating cramped bottlenecks and dangerous high heat physical strains. The fifth mistake is insufficient storage. The main problem with insufficient kitchen storage is that it forces items onto your kitchen countertops, destroying your workspace and making cooking highly stressful. When cabinets fill up, clutter overflows, items get lost in back of deep shelves, and meal preparation takes twice as long. You can overcome insufficient kitchen storage by maximizing your vertical space, optimizing the interiors of your existing cabinets, and utilizing nearby areas. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.